Alright, this is another video being brought to you by freechartvideos.com. Also brought to you by oldschoolcharts.com. Basically, this was a domain that I set up, and that's actually where the site is hosted. But then I found out freechartvideos.com was an available domain, and it's a lot better than this. So for right now, it's sort of both. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be any form of investment advice. I can draw lines on charts, but you have to draw your own conclusions from your own due diligence and make investment decisions that are suitable for your financial situation. I'm not a licensed professional, and I'll add, I'm just a guy who draws lines on charts. Today's chart is Apple. And this is the chart. Actually, the period of it is a 9-day chart. Each candle is not quite 2 weeks. We've got to go look back that long to see what I want you to see. Now, I want to say that as far as the markets go in general, I'm bullish. As far as tech goes in general, I'm bullish. As far as Apple goes as a business, I think they have their act together like very few do. In other words, they're doing it right. But you need to take a look at this chart, especially going into what could be an explosive week for Apple. And we're looking at the 9-week chart because that's the chart where we can go back and find this peak. Draw a line to this peak. Extend it. Oh, well, look, how about that? They line up just right. And now let's go a little bit further forward. I think you get the picture. I probably don't need to say anything. All I'm saying is be aware of where this line is going. Be aware that long-term trend lines do seem to exert magical forces, as it were, over stock prices. Is it possible for Apple to blow on up to 500? Yeah, it is. But I think it would take something of extraordinary news to make that happen in a way that would break this line. So it's possible that with strong earnings, Apple goes up and tests what's going to be this line around somewhere between 370 and 380 this week. That's possible. And if it does that, it could also just kind of hug that line for a little bit and maybe even get up to 500. However, each time it's touched this line before, it's been turned back pretty soundly. So I'm just letting you know that this is something to be aware of, so you won't get blindsided if all of a sudden Apple gets up, runs up a good 20% or so. And it's up in the 380, 375, 380 area, and all of a sudden you're going, gee, what the heck just happened? I just want you to be aware of it so you can watch it closely. And again, this is not investment advice. This is just me drawing a line on a chart to help you trade stocks better. So, I hope this has been some benefit to you. Good luck with the earnings on Monday. You're probably looking at this on Monday. And I wish everyone the best in these markets. And I think we're bullish overall. But let's remind ourselves that we need to buy low and sell high. And just as a reminder, I want to invite everybody to visit freechartvideos.com. That takes you actually to a list of free videos. Everything on the site is free, by the way. And if you go to oldschoolcharts.com, you get the home page. Go to freechartvideos.com. For now, you go right to the video page. So anyway, visit the site. Take a look around. We do a daily comment on the indexes, and I try to update an S&P or another index chart every day as well. And as well as another stock or two. So good trading to you. Thanks for listening to this, and I hope you'll check back for more videos later.